We're about to have a car wash, in case you never had one. So yeah, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in right now. Whoa! Okay, let's try to look through here. Shoots there.
Here we go. Comes soapy sets. Comes sutsies.
Whoa! Look!
This is the white something. Whitewash.
Let's watch
I don't think we
this.
have pink sets today. We have white sets.
Let's see what we have right
It's a
now.
color sprayer. When you were little, you used to be scared of car wash.
Yeah, I know. Where's our antenna?
It's up there in the corner.
Oh, I see it. I just don't want it to like break off. Oh, where did it go?
The giant sea creatures are trying to destroy us.
Hey, Mom, remember that time when you always said that the octopus cleaner and I actually bought it? And I was actually pretty scared, so I ran out of play place. Now I'm not.
Here comes our rinse. And here comes our wax.
Our wax next.
Clear coat protectant. And then here comes the super dryer.
I know the super dryer. Final stage.
Gravity is sucking us into space. The gravity is gone away. We're being sucked. Oh
From the camera, it looks like everything is black. That thingy right there is actually moving. If you can see, it's moving up. I guess that's what's called the car wash. Here, I want to give you a close view of this place, though. Okay. I'm right near. I'm already buckled. I was buckled this whole entire time. Okay, I can't wait to be leaving. Wow, it's real snowy outside. And the mascot for today, Slushy.
You spend some time away.
And of course, hi, I'm Slushy, and I'm perfect for this season because I want a Slushy. See, the snow. Wait, where's all the snow? Oh, there it is. Hey, where? Oh, there. There's snow. Window. Anyway, see ya. Boom. Just kidding. Yeah, see ya.